That's right, funding secured, my friends. I finally got my futures account all figured out. I had to do some stuff, and it was a bit of a nightmare for a little bit, going back and forth and getting it all done. But today, I went to the bank, I transferred money into the account. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to buy and sell and do all that fun stuff and make a bunch of money. But I want to talk about what my plan is and what I'm going to be trading and how I'm going to be trading futures and how you also can trade futures and all of that fun stuff. I'm going to talk about it right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I finally got my futures account funded. Funding secured. I'm ready. I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to sell. So let's just talk really quickly about what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be doing it, and what my overall focus is going to be. So for the first month or so, I'm going to be focused solely on the E-mini micro, or the micro E-minis. The micro E-mini is 1/10 the size of a normal E-mini. And that's going to allow me to do a couple of different things. I only need $50. You do 50 this with $50 worth of equity to buy one micro E-mini contract. That's going to allow me to kind of start to get into the groove and also allow me to kind of have a realistic idea. Now, normally when you're trading futures, you don't really want to only trade one contract or maybe two contracts. Sometimes you need to kind of size into the trade and you need to have a little bit of wiggle room. So my plan is to trade between 4 and 5 contracts normally, which would be like an E-mini. So I'm going to be doing the same with the micro E-minis. Now, obviously, the profit is not going to be as much because it's only 1/10 the size. A full dollar move is only going to be $5 in profit, but it's also going to allow me to get into the groove and not have to risk a ton of money, where if I was trading 5 E-mini contracts, it can be some pretty drastic moves in the market. But trading the micro E-minis is going to allow me to use less money to start and also just kind of manage my risk a little bit better while I kind of get into the flow and get things going. Another really cool thing about futures, I've talked about this before, is you don't need PDT. There's no $25,000 minimum. A lot of the brokers allow you to really kind of start an account with like $500. And you can day trade all you want, baby. You can trade night and day, basically. There is no rule on how many trades you can place. Now, obviously, there's a lot of risk and all that, but you should probably understand that either way. But if you're on the fence about trading because you don't have $25,000, you're not able to go offshore or stuff like that, trading futures could be a very good option for you. We're going to see how it goes. I'm going to focus solely on the micro E-minis for the first month, get into the groove, kind of see what my P&L is at the end of the month. Starting in January, I'm going to start January 1st, and at the end of January, we'll look and be like, okay, well, that was not good. I ended up losing money or ended up making money. So that's going to be the goal. I'm going to show you guys the process from January 1st through the end of the month and kind of go over where I went wrong, what I learned, and all of that. So I'm going to be starting out with $1,000 in the account. That's going to allow me to buy 20 contracts if I really want to get crazy, but I'm not going to buy 20 contracts. I want to keep it realistic in the sense that I would normally buy like 4 or 5 E-mini contracts, where if I'm trading with the micros, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna try to replicate what it would be like trading E-minis with the micros. That way I can kind of just look at the idea of what the moves are like and things like that. And it's the overall mechanics of trading futures. And I'm gonna talk about that while I'm doing it on the channel and kind of the day-to-day. And I'll show you guys the progress. I'll hopefully show you me making money and not losing money, but I'm sure there'll be some days where we do lose money. But in general, that's my plan. I'm putting $1,000 into an account and I'm gonna be trading the micro E-minis, which is going to allow me to kind of simulate, I wouldn't say simulate, but it's going to allow me to trade the market, be able to see real results with real money and a real account and real time and all of that. And I'll be showing you guys all the videos and everything as we go along. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Got a lot of cool stuff going on in 2020. This is only the beginning. I'm also gonna be focusing on equities and some options plays as well. So hit that subscribe button. Let's go. 2020, trading futures, trading the micro E-minis. I'll talk more about the micro E-minis, how to trade it and all that stuff going forward. But I wanted to give you guys a little update that we finally got secured funding. We are ready, baby. We are ready to trade real money. Let's go.